Fun and activities with pre-writing for toddlers. In this we have given a width for the child to draw a line in. The width reduces. See, when the child is given a pencil to draw a line, he will never be close to one single straight line. Try to bring the child within a given width. So in this page we are given animals and their houses. So there is a lot to talk about for the child and keep the child engaged and he or she doesn't run away. In the second page we cover vertical lines and we show coconuts are falling in a basket. And this is a holy scene. Here also we cover vertical lines. Similarly, we now move to inclined lines, but with a game. There is a game over here, they have to match. The thickness of the line reduces, if you see, and there are curves in this line. There's a little challenge beyond this. Then in this they have to draw dots and stay within the lines. The whole idea about these worksheets is to keep the child within a width. Here again the width of the line has reduced. After this we move to tracing on a dotted line. We just don't start with the tracing on a dotted line because the child will nowhere be close to that. It's just pressurizing the child for a starter. Again, we have not left them completely on a tracing line. We've given them again a defined width and it's a maze again. Again we move to dotted line, the horizontal and vertical. This is vertical line. Then over here we cover slanting lines also. Again there are a lot of games in this slanting line. There are a lot of things to talk about, a clown and all. Similarly over here we have a rhyme and stars. Again dotted line. Over here we move to curved lines. So like this we have covered a lot of things. This is encircling a dot. Again this is about using a pencil or writing material in a particular way so that the child learns how to move a pencil. So this is all about pre-writing skills.